when I started the journey, I told myself, oh, I think one day I would like to do GCSE Arabic. At that time, I probably didn't even know my Arabic alphabet, but I dream big. I do that. So my daughter, when she did Arabic, this was her textbook that she was using for her GCSEs. So I have it. She gave me. When she finishes, like, Mom, I think you need this when you write your GCSE Arabic. So yeah, I opened it today. I decided to open it. I opened it before and I had no idea what was being said. So today I was like, okay, let me just open and see the first page. And it talks about who am I and all these things. These are notes from my daughter, so ignore that. Stuff like this. Before it made no sense. But then I opened this page. Let me show you which page I opened. I was like, okay, let me read. I know quite a few things now. It's really, really nice to see the progress I've made. These are all notes she made. Obviously, I don't understand everything, but I understand quite a bit, which was very, very, very impressive. So I opened this page. I was like, okay, let me see if I can understand something. And here, issue في لندن مع أمي وأبي فأنا الطفلة الواحدة and lahuma for them. Lahuma is for two people, so I'm the only child for them. When I read this, I was like, what? I understood. Just understanding that is absolutely amazing. This is a GCSE book. And when I first got it, I had no idea what anything said. But now I can actually, make out what things said. And even, the only child in the brackets, I knew that even just from reading the Arabic before I read the translation. So this is great progress. And it looks like I'll be on my way one of these days to writing GCSE Arabic. And it looks like I'll be on my way one of these days to writing GCSE Arabic. It'll be good. And I want to learn about, the next step is learning speaking and listening. Yes. Inshallah, that I need money for, to pay the person to teach me. So yeah, we'll get there. Inshallah. So carry on with your journey of Arabic and don't give up. Set yourself goals even if they don't seem realistic at that time. Set them anyway. And work one step at a time until you eventually get there, however long it takes. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.